Today, we're diving into some fascinating facts about different types of storms. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show till the end. Firstly, hurricanes, also known as typhoons or cyclones depending on their location, are massive storms that form over warm ocean waters. They are powered by the heat from the sea, which causes warm, moist air to rise, creating a powerful spiral of wind and rain. As the storm grows, it can span hundreds of miles and unleash devastating winds, heavy rainfall, and massive waves. Hurricanes are common in the Atlantic Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean Sea, and the Western Pacific Ocean. The aftermath of a hurricane can be catastrophic, with entire communities wiped out by storm surges, flooding, and winds that can reach over 150 miles per hour. In the last 5 years, hurricanes have caused significant loss of life and property. For example, Hurricane Dorian in 2019 caused over $3.4 billion in damages and claimed around 74 lives in the Bahamas alone. In 2020, Hurricane Laura led to over $19 billion in damages and killed 77 people in the United States and the Caribbean. Then there are tornadoes. Tornadoes are violent, rotating columns of air that extend from thunderstorms to the ground. They form when warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air, creating instability in the atmosphere. This can lead to the development of supercells, massive thunderstorms with rotating updrafts, which can spawn tornadoes. Tornadoes are most common in the central United States, particularly in a region known as Tornado Alley, but they can occur almost anywhere. Tornadoes are incredibly destructive, with winds that can exceed 300 miles per hour. They can destroy everything in their path, flattening homes, tossing vehicles, and uprooting trees. The aftermath of a tornado is often chaotic, with entire neighborhoods reduced to rubble. In the last 5 years, tornadoes have caused substantial loss of life and property. The 2019 tornado outbreak in the southern United States resulted in 41 deaths and over $2 billion in damages. The 2021 outbreak, which included the devastating tornado in Kentucky, caused over 90 fatalities and billions in damages. Thirdly, there are blizzards. Blizzards are severe winter storms characterized by heavy snowfall, strong winds, and extremely low visibility. They form when cold, dry air from the Arctic meets moist air from lower latitudes, often in the northern parts of the United States, Canada, and northern Europe. Blizzards can last for several hours or even days, causing massive snowdrifts that can bury cars and homes. The aftermath of a blizzard can be deadly, with roads blocked by snow, power lines downed by ice, and temperatures plunging to dangerous levels. In the last 5 years, blizzards have led to numerous deaths and widespread damage. For instance, the 2021 Texas winter storm caused over 200 deaths and around $195 billion in property damage due to the extreme cold, snow, and ice, which led to widespread power outages and infrastructure failures. Flooding thunderstorms. These storms occur when a thunderstorm stalls over an area, dumping vast amounts of rain in a short period. These storms are caused by warm, moist air rising rapidly into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses into clouds. When these storms get stuck in one location, they can lead to flash floods, which are particularly dangerous because they can occur with little warning. Flooding thunderstorms are common in areas with warm, humid climates, such as the southeastern United States, but they can happen almost anywhere. The aftermath of a flash flood can be devastating. In the last 5 years, flash floods have caused significant damage and loss of life. In 2021, the catastrophic flooding in Tennessee killed 20 people and caused millions in damages. Additionally, in 2022, devastating floods in Kentucky led to 39 deaths and over $1.2 billion in damages. The last one is heat waves. Although not a traditional storm, heat waves can be deadly weather events. Heat waves occur when high-pressure systems trap hot air in an area, causing temperatures to soar to extreme levels for days or even weeks. They are common in the southern United States, southern Europe, and parts of Australia. The aftermath of a heat wave can be deadly, particularly for vulnerable populations such as the elderly and those with pre-existing health conditions. In the last 5 years, heat waves have caused significant loss of life. The 2021 heat wave in the Pacific Northwest of the United States and Canada resulted in over 600 deaths due to extreme temperatures, which also caused massive damage to infrastructure and crops. In Europe, the 2019 heat wave led to more than 2,500 deaths across several countries, including France, Spain, and Italy. The heat also sparked wildfires, causing further destruction and economic loss. If you would like us to make a video on your desired topic, let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and that's all for today. Please keep watching, subscribing, and we will meet again with another exciting factual discovery.